दीस जाले जे मेन डिपार्टमेंट आसा इन चार्ज ऑफ गिवींग लायसन्सीस ती म्हळ्यार होम डिपार्टमेंट तांकां मेळपाचो प्रयत्न आमी एपॉयंटमेंट मागलें ते आमकां अजून कांय रिस्पॉन्स मेळूंक ना. मागीर फॉलोअप केले, कॉल केले, ईमेल केले, सगळे प्रयत्न केले पूण आमकां एपॉयंटमेंट दिवंक ना मोर दॅन अ मंथ. म्हणून आज आमी असेंब्लीन गेले अशेंच चीफ सेक्रेटरी जे ऑल्सो होम सेक्रेटरी आसा ते मेळटा काय म्हणून पळोवपाक. आमकां ते मेळ्ळे अँड सॅडली आफ्टर स्पिकींग विथ हिम आमकां कळ्ळें कित्याक आमकां एपॉयंटमेंट मेळूंक ना तो इतले दीस. ऑल हीज रिस्पॉन्सीस टू आवर क्वेश्चन्स वर नॉन कोऑपरेटीव, नॉन कमिटल आनी कॅसिनोच्या विशयाचेर ह्या सरकारान कसलेंच नियंत्रण दवरूंक ना हें जाहीर जाल्लें आसा. आनी लिटरली बेकायदेशीरपणा इज सँक्शन्ड अँड एनकरेज बाय दीस गव्हर्मेंट अशें सिद्ध जालें आमकां. पयलो आमी प्रश्न तांकां विचारलो म्हळ्यार मार्च 2027 2027 मार्चाच्या तारखेक फायनल एक्सटेंशन म्हणून ह्या सरकारान ह्या सगळ्या कॅसिनोंक मुदत दिल्ली. इट वॉज कॉल्ड फायनल एक्सटेंशन म्हणजे हाज्या मागीर एक्सटेंशन मेळचें ना अशें चीफ मिनिस्टर आनी होम मिनिस्टर जे आसा ज्या डिपार्टमेंटाचे मिनिस्टर आसा तांणी सांगिल्लें. सो आमी तांकां विचारलें वॉट प्रेपरेशन्स आर यू मेकिंग टू मेक शुअर द कॅसिनोज आर गोईंग फ्रॉम हियर. कित्याक मार्च 2027 नंतर तांकां एक्सटेंशन मेळपाचें ना एज पर युअर गव्हर्मेंट. सो तुमी तांकां खंय व्हरून दवरतले काय काडटले काय ना. सो तो म्हणूंक लागलो तुमी सांगा तांकां खंय व्हरया काय म्हणून. आतां आमी कित्याक सांगपाचें की कोण खंयचो धंदो करूंक सोदता आनी कायदे प्रमाणे ताचो धंदो तो बसना आमी कित्याक सांगूंक जाय किंवा गव्हर्मेंटान कित्याक तांचें अरेंजमेंट करूंक जाता आनी खंय वचपाचें. दॅट इज देअर लुकआउट, दे आर अ प्रायवेट बिजनेस. सो दॅट वॉज द फर्स्ट शॉक वी गॉट की तो आमकांच विचारता की तुमी सांगा म्हणून. म्हणजे इट ऑल्सो मेंट दॅट बाबा आमी तांकां व्हरपाचो खंय प्रयत्न करपाचें ना कित्याक आनी खंय जागो ना आनी ते खंय वचपाचें ना अशें. दॅट वॉज हीज मिनींग इज वॉट वी आर गोईंग टू टेक आउट ऑफ दॅट स्टेटमेंट. सो आमी तांकां सांगलें की जर 2027 पर्यंत ताच्या नंतर कसलेंच एप्रुवल मेळपाचें ना जाल्यार वाय आर ऑल दीज कसिनोज पुटींग इन एप्लिकेशन्स फॉर एक्सपांडींग दर इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर. थंय तांकां जेटी घालपाक आनी कसले कॅन्टिलिवर कितें घालपाक हे सगळे तांचे म्हळ्यार हांगा ठामपणे जल्मभर हांगाच रावपाचें तांचें सगळें प्लॅनिंग चल्लां आनी इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर एक्सपान्शन चल्लां. सो वी टोल्ड हिम दॅट एटलिस्ट make sure that you give instructions to all the departments to deny any permissions to by casino companies regarding any infrastructure that would be used beyond March 2027. ते आमी पळोवया म्हणूंक लागलो. सो दॅट वॉज द फर्स्ट पॉयंट दॅट वी रेज. सेकंड पॉयंट तुमी जाणा इतली वर्सां कॅसिनो चलता दे आर एक्चुअली गवर्न्ड अंडर प्रिव्हेन्शन ऑफ गॅम्बलिंग ॲक्ट गोवा ॲक्टाचो जो गोवा प्रिव्हेन्शन ऑफ गॅम्बलिंग ॲक्ट. पूण हो ॲक्ट अजून इम्प्लिमेंटूच जावंक ना. गेमींग कमिशनर 2020च्यान अपॉयंट जाल्लो आसा पूण जेन्ना आमी गेमींग कमिशनर गेल्ले तुमी जाणा तांणी सांगलें की आपले कडेन रुल्स ना म्हणून. आय हॅव नो पावर्स ऑर एनी मेकॅनिझम टू एनफोर्स द ॲक्ट. सो आमी चीफ सेक्रेटरी विचारले की मार्चान न्यूज आयिल्ली की हे जे रुल्स आसा दोज आर ऑलरेडी अप्रूव्ड बाय द मिनिस्टर, दे आर ऑलरेडी वेटेड बाय द लॉ डिपार्टमेंट आनी फक्त नोटिफिकेशन उरलां म्हणून. अजून आतां 4 म्हयने गेले कांयच नोटिफिकेशन जावंक ना, कांयच ना. अँड ही वॉज नॉट रेडी टू कमीट की केन्ना हे रुल्स फ्रेम जातले काय म्हणून म्हणजे नोटिफाय जातले काय म्हणून. सो इट वॉज व्हेरी
in fact he said that the rules are not yet framed. Yeah, he said
the
the
cabinet
rules
is not
drafted. Yeah, cabinet. No, the rules are still being drafted. We are consulting different departments. So we asked him, which departments are you consulting? I don't have to tell you who we are consulting. So he said rules are not framed as yet, and he couldn't tell us when it will be framed.
So basically this means that casinos are not operating under any law. बेकायदेशीरपणा ह्या सरकारान उघडपणा हे अंधाधुंदी चलयल्ली आसा to let casinos operate without any control, without any regulation. This the chief secretary has admitted in our meeting today. आणि खरें जर ह्या सरकाराक रुल्स करपाचे आशिल्ले जाल्यार ते मार्चान जेन्ना हें अनाउन्समेंट जाल्लें दे वूड हॅव पुट इट बिफोर द कॅबिनेट इफ रिक्वायर्ड. जी अप्रुवलां घेवपाचे ते घेतले आशिल्ले आनी ते तेन्नाच नोटिफाय करतले आशिल्ले. आमी तांकां विचारलें की गिव अस सम टायम ना तुमी आतां 6 वर्सां रावल्या न्ही बिकॉज गेमींग कमिशनर 2020 स्थापन जाल्लो आतां 6 वर्सां रावल्या न्ही आनी थोडो वेळ राव म्हणून लागलो आमी रावता म्हळें पूण कितलो वेळ एटलीस्ट गिव अस सम आयडिया कांयच आयडिया दिवपाक तयार नाशिल्लो सो वी डिमांड दॅट द चीफ सेक्रेटरी ऑर द होम मिनिस्टर डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत मेक दीज रुल्स पब्लीक लोकांक कळोळी न्ही तुमी कितें अप्रूव केल्लें आनी इतलो टायम ते नोटिफाय जावपाक कित्याक जाल्लें आसा बिकॉज इट इज अ मॅटर ऑफ प्रोसिजर की खुबदां ड्राफ्ट रुल्स सुद्दां आर प्लेस्ड बिफोर पब्लीक फॉर सजेशन्स तुमी लोकां समोर दवरात हे रुल्स लेट अस ऑल्सो सी वॉट कंट्रोल एंड वॉट रेग्युलेशन्स यू आर प्लॅनिंग ओवर द कसिनोज बिकॉज वी ऑल्सो हॅव सम सजेशन्स टू गिव सो हे 2 मेन मुद्दे आशिल्ले ताच्या मागीर आमी जो भुरग्यांचो एंट्रीचो मुद्दो आसा तो सुद्दां काडलो आनी अगेन ऑन दॅट इशू ऑल्सो ही वॉज एब्सोल्युटली नॉन कोऑपरेटीव कांयच तो सांगपाक तयार नाशिल्लो आनी इनफॅक्ट वी आर शॉक टू नो दॅट तुमी तो इशू तुमी जाणा लँड कॅसिनोज जे आसा 5-स्टार हॉटेलांनी इन दोज द गॅम्बलींग एरिया इज डिमार्केटेड आनी थंय भुरग्यांक अलावड ना बिकॉज दे आर अ स्मॉल पार्ट ऑफ अ लार्जर 5-स्टार हॉटेल पूण एज फार एज द एक्ट इज कन्सर्न जे ऑफशोर कॅसिनोज आसा द एंटायर वेसल इज कन्सिडर्ड टू बी अ गॅम्बलींग प्लेस सो आमकां तो सांगता की ना वी आर अबाउट टू इश्यू अ नोटिफिकेशन that we are going to demarcate gambling areas in offshore vessels also. So आमी हो इशू काडटकूच धांवून हे कॅसिनोवाल्यांक खूश करपा खातीर हे नोटिफिकेशन काडटा पूण रुल्स जे आमी आतां 6 वर्सां रावल्या हांकां अजून सांगूंक शकना की कितलो टायम लागतलो रुल्स फ्रेम करपाक ह्या कॅसिनोक कंट्रोल करपा खातीर सो इट इज व्हेरी ऑब्वियस की हो जो सरकार जो आसा इट इज वर्किंग एट द बॅक एंड कॉल ऑफ दीज कॅसिनोज कंपनीज म्हणजे कॅसिनोवाले फोनार आपली सगळी कामां करून घेता एक सामान्य गोंयकार खंयच्या ह्या डिपार्टमेंटान गेले आमकां म्हयन्याचे म्हयने धक्के खावचे पडटा कॅसिनोवाले फोनाचेर म्हाका दिसता आपली कामां करून घेता द वे द एंटायर एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन इज बिहेविंग सो जशें सांगलें वी रियलायज वाय द चीफ सेक्रेटरी वॉज नॉट विलिंग टू गिव अस एन अपॉयंटमेंट एक सादेशें अपॉयंटमेंट 10 मिनटान आमकां जाय आशिल्लें म्हयनोभर दवरले कितलेशेच रिमांयडर करून सुद्दां आमकां तांणी टायम दिलो ना सो इट इज व्हेरी ऑब्वियस दॅट the government of Goa is in no mood to control and regulate and in March 2027 remove the casinos.
Under minors being allowed on board was made in April. 25th April we have registered a complaint here. Now it's just 2 months. The government has already reviewed the situation, changed the rules and drafted a notification to change the act to allow children on board the vessels. See how quickly they have acted. Within 8 weeks they have drafted this and they are going to make a notification to allow children on board, against our complaint. And the other things are taking so long. So this is a very serious matter and how quickly the government works for the casinos. But when the people are requesting something for the people of Goa, there is no action taken. Another point that we had made to the Chief Secretary is we have discovered that Department of Tourism is issuing certificates of registration in hotel category to the offshore boats. So the casinos in the river are getting hotel licenses for the rooms. So I have a copy of the license, I can put it on the media group. That clearly states number of rooms on the boats and they're giving a this. So if these boats are getting hotel licenses for the rooms, who can book the rooms? Who is staying in these rooms? Can any member of the public go to their website and book a room in the hotel? Who is staying in these rooms? Are these meant for casino customers, for overnight guests? Who is maintaining a guest register? Who is supervising any other hotel in the city or anywhere in the country? If you have a registered hotel, the guest register is maintained. Foreign visitors have to fill in that form C mandatorily within 24 hours. Is this happening? What is the rate of these rooms? These are very serious questions that have to be asked. What are these rooms being used for? Is there something else going on there? So we have asked these questions to Tourism Department. Tourism Department has sent my RTI to Home Department. Home Department said we don't know anything. Send it to Captain of Ports because it is in their jurisdiction around his office. Captain of Ports has replied saying that not applicable to me. So which department is, and the license is issued by Tourism Department. So all 3 departments are saying it is not their concern.
It is very clear that the government is operating casinos without any law, following any law. No rules are in place, and so we demand that the casino should be shut down. Secondly, the notification demarcating areas is yet to come. So where the children have been allowed on the boat for so many years, and that crime for violating the act and the law, for that crime the complaint has to be registered and prosecution has to start.
So complaint has to register means you have complaint.
We have complained April 25th.
What is the follow-up of that?
We have gone several times, so they said we have sent it to Department of Prosecution for say, but nothing has happened for 2 months.
We have also sent a letter to SP not asking him to take action since the Panjim police station has not taken action on this.
Regarding rooms in the casino,
Yes.
you spoke to the chief secretary,
Yes.
home secretary.
Yeah.
No? What did he
He
say?
said I will look into the
doesn't
matter.
know
He
about it.
didn't know about it.
I'll
He said I will
find
tell
out.
my staff to inquire. He doesn't
Staff.
know. Yes.
So Valmiki, the casino ship is already licensed as the casino ship. So how they can designate only the casino area? But ship is a pool
Yeah,
itself
but-
is a
but the act-
casino.
yes,
So as per the international law, below 18 should not be allowed on the casino, in the casino.
As
But
per
in
law.
the casino means ship is already itself is a casino. So as per the international law, how they allow?
तेच म्हणटा न्ही द लॉ इज रिटन बाय द कसिनोज हांगा वी पॉयंटेड द सेम थिंग आउट टू हिम आमी ताका सांगलें तूं जर इवन वेसलान सुद्दां एक गॅमलिंग एरिया डिमार्केट केली तूं भुरग्यांक जेन्ना एलाव करता टू बोर्ड द गेट द बोर्ड द वेसल तूं हांगा तांच्या बुकींग ऑफिसान सगळे कॅसिनो ब्रँडींग आसता तातूंच्यान भितर व्हरता तांकां ते कॅसिनो ब्रँडेडाच्या फिडर बोटीन व्हरता त्या कॅसिनो ब्रँडिंगाच्या त्या व्हडल्या बोटीन भितर व्हरता आनी मागीर सांगता की ना ओन्ली सर्टन पार्ट इज गॅमलिंग काय म्हणून आय मीन when the whole point of the act, I think the act clearly says that you should not expose children to casinos. So जेन्ना तूं सगळ्या कॅसिनोच्या ब्रँडिंगांच्यान तांकां फूल व्हरता आनी मागीर सांगता की ना वे नॉट टेकिंग देम इनटू द गॅमलिंग एरिया कोणाक फटयता तुमी
It should be the passenger vessel or it should be the cruising vessel. So then only can allow the children inside. So if it's casino vessel, it should not allow.
Should not be allowed.
In fact, the act is quite clear about that.
And even the God Children's Act very clearly defines under child abuse that inducement of children and exposure to children to gambling. So under that act, at least they should have booked. If the rules are still not there, they should have booked under the God Children's Act. Why isn't the complaint being registered?
So if the rule is not framed, that means government itself is running illegal.
Exactly. There is no law. There is no law in place, and they've given a free hand to the casinos to function.
एक सिटीजन्स ग्रुप
Yeah.
आमी खुबशे प्रयत्न केले टू एक्सपोज वॉट इज गोईंग ऑन हे लोकां समोर हाडपाचें तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान तुमच्या मदतीन आमी केल्लें आसा आर रिक्वेस्ट इज ऑल्सो आज जे आमी प्रश्न मांडल्या जाचें उत्तर आमकां मेळूंक ना तुमी मुखेलमंत्र्याक ऑलमोस्ट डेली मेळटा तुमी हे प्रश्न मातशे तांच्या समोर मांडात लेट हिम गिव अ डेट वेन दीज रूल्स वील बी नोटिफाईड वेन द कसिनोज वील बी रेग्युलेटेड लेट हिम आन्सर हाव ही इज गोईंग टू इश्यू अ नोटिफिकेशन demarcating only a certain part of the vessel as a gambling area when the entire vessel is licensed as a casino. So ह्या प्रश्नाचे उत्तर आम्ही तुमच्या कडल्यान मदत मागता की तुम्ही मुखेलमंत्र्याक विचारचें ताणें उत्तर दिवचें ताच्या फुडें मागीर कोर्ट आसा आनी हें आसा म्हणजे प्रोटेस्ट आसा ते सगळे करुया पूण वी शूड नॉट हॅव टू गो थ्रू ऑल दीज थिंग्स फॉर ईच अँड एवरी इशू.
In fact, we even asked the chief secretary as how, you know, if you pass the casinos at night, you see little children with their parents there who should have been in bed at about 10, 11 o'clock at night. But they're taking them to casinos. Now you're setting this government of ours, the government that is by the people, of the people, and for casinos, is setting such a bad example that these, and bringing up these children in this way, that they are going and following their parents. If my parents can gamble, why can't I gamble in future? This is the example our government is setting up for our children. It may not be Goan children, as Goans are not allowed, but all children are our children, whether they're Goan or other Indians who come here. And I think this is a very bad example. The chief secretary smiles, he doesn't say anything. But this is the example they are setting for the children of the country.
This is a very serious issue.
It
which
is
you
a
have,
serious issue.
raised. Will
And
you
that-
file this thing against the casino in the court against this whatever you are?
About children? No, we have not gone to court as yet. We have not gone, but we have
approached
read
the
the
Chief
Children's
Minister.
Commission.
We
All the
So now
children's rights
if you
groups, we
if
want
you
them
say
to
now
know.
so many times you are just
No, because you know the thing is, we understand. I mean, we've got children, we've got grandchildren. We wouldn't like our children to be exposed to this. Mother, father are going to the casino. What is there? We go. It's like a person going for someone going for prostitution and keeping the child out. I'll be back in a minute. This is not what example we set to our children, and I think this is a very bad example that our Goa government is setting for the children of India and maybe abroad who come to, I don't know who goes to casinos, but Goans are not allowed, thank God,
That's on
but this is for
paper.
others.
That's
On
on
paper, we don't know who is allowed. If these people who come to go to casinos, mothers, fathers, grandmothers, whoever are going in, keep some caretaker in the hotel with your children. Don't take them and expose them to this gambling. Even if you're in another room, it's 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock at night. Is this something that you should expose them to?
Recently, Supreme Court has given the important judgment regarding the footpath. That for a pedestrian, the
yes.
footpath should be free.
Yeah.
Now you can see the whole footpath is enclosed by the all casinos. So what
Not forget casinos. We've seen the footpath. Is there a footpath in front of the new Captain of Ports building? You just see, you can't walk there because there's no footpath at all. If they were putting up such a big fancy building, they should have parking for the whichever cars are coming inside their premises, not on the place where a footpath should be for us. So government, you know, does not follow the rules or set an example. In every case, we have to fight with the government. Such a government we have. It's very sad.
One point I want to make about this, 31st March 2027 is the deadline, and CM Pramod Sawant has very clearly said in 2025, this is the final extension. So when he has said final extension, I think he would have had a plan in mind what to do with the casinos after 2027, because it was just 2 years at that
But
point.
I hope the CM knows the meaning of final. It's not semi-final. It's a final extension. And final means final. Otherwise, you should check the dictionary to see what is the meaning
Yeah.
of final.
So we will take
And
CM on
the
his word
casinos
and
have to go by the 31st. So government has called it final. We've
So
not
they
called it,
either,
government has called
they
it.
either have to leave the Mandovi and go into territorial waters, or they have to cease operation. There are no other options.
31st March
So you will,
2027.
you will wait till 31st March.
No,
now?
we will not.
That is
We'll
why we
fight
went
it.
today.
Yeah,
We
the
are saying
process-
shut now.
See,
They are not operating under the
We
law.
want the
process
order
should
to
start.
come.
See,
The
there's
order to
only-
come that 31st March is the last date. You can't go beyond that. Some
There's
order
there's
should
9
come now.
months left, okay, for 31st March from July. So the process has to start now. The government cannot go in January and say, okay, now the process has to start now, which is why we are reminding Chief Secretary and the Home Department, please start the process and start the process of
You-
getting them out of the water.
So you hope that law will deliver after 9 months.
CM has said no, final extension.
Like,
We believe our CM. So we'll see.